Hi and welcome back. I'm George Pierce and I appreciate your watching. This video is sort of a preview about a video that I'll be posting shortly, I hope. And the video that I'm going to be publishing shortly is how to make $1,000 a month online or $2,000 a month online with zero investment, with zero cost. And the reason why I'm sharing this with you is because there's a lot of people that are looking for an opportunity to make money online. They want to work from home. They want a good, legitimate way to do it. But every time they kind of look at something, it's like, well, you can have this. We'll give you a little sliver. But if you really want, you can have this little tiny sliver of the pie. But if you want the whole pie, we want money. And my video is going to show you how you can do all this with zero money out of pocket. So there's zero cost. And I think that a lot of affiliate marketers, the big dogs especially, totally shy away from the free angle. And I can understand why they do that. Or they either totally shy away from it, or when they use free, it's a free trial, it's just the tip of the iceberg and so on. And the reason is there are people out there that are just looking for free stuff, and if you're one of them, that's okay. There's a lot of people out there that are simply looking for a way that they can do something, and the reason why they want free is simply because they don't necessarily want to spend, or don't necessarily have the money, or they haven't got the faith to spend the money. And I think that's probably the biggest issue, because I don't have faith that whatever is free is actually going to work because it's free. So I want to show you something. That's what this video is all about. I'm going to be sharing with you in a video about how you're going to be able to make money online, and some good money online with no money out of pocket, and there's no gimmick, there's no catch. It's 100% free. It's 100% legitimate. It's 100% legal. There are no scams. But I got to add that it's 1,000% wow. I want to share one little tidbit about this video that I'm going to be publishing shortly. And the reason why I thought I was going to be able to publish it pretty quickly, pretty easily. You don't know me, but I have to do the right thing because it's the right thing to do. So what I was going to share with you in this video is how I was going to do one thing. All right. Well, when I do something, I don't do one of it. Usually, I might do 10 of it sometimes, or 100 of it. So anyway, I'm going to share with you four versions to make you money. Not one, but four. The one little hint that I want to give you about this video is that it includes what I call Godfather marketing. And Godfather marketing, or Godfather strategy, or the Godfather approach, is simply to provide your visitor with so much value that they cannot refuse your offer. When you can do that, that's one of the things that marketers strive for. And if you're not aware of that, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel and ringing the bell, because these are some of the things that you're going to be learning. But that's one of the things that you strive for when you make an offer, is to do a Godfather routine. Give them so doggone much that they have to do it. They have to sign up. They have to join. They have to click, because you've made them an offer that they cannot refuse. So that's what this upcoming video is based on. And I'm going to show you how this is so simple to do. That's part of the reason why it's taken me a little bit of time. I want to keep everything real simple so that anybody can do this. So I want to keep the process drag and drop simple. And I ended up going from sharing one of what I do to sharing four of what I do. That is going to be a major feather in your cap. So it's not only free, it's not only a good way to make income, good income online, to make it for free, it's based on a strategy that is virtually foolproof and fail-proof. So again, allow me to invite you to subscribe and ring that bell, and do that right now. Smash that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? That way you're going to get notified when this video is published. I do want to thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Allow me to wish you much success.